Hi, Katie.
What are you doing? Yeah? You having fun with toilet paper?
That's good.
Alright. I know, she's got it all out here. She's so silly. Hey, come here, I'll do your hair.
Where's she going now? Oh my goodness.
Say hi, Abby.
Where's your other sock?
Couch.
Okay. Katie's being bad. Look at all the toilet paper, Abby. Oh jeez. Okay.